Not every man is for every woman, and not every woman is for every man. Where some see a problem, some see a blessing. I remember when my wife loved take pictures. I was so annoyed, like I can't even get to enjoy a plate of food because she have to take picture of the food before you even eat it. It was so annoying. But then I looked and I said to her, why you don't start a photography business? And she started from a cell phone, from her iPhone. And it started from 1 client to 2 client to 3 client until God could bless her with a camera. So the testimony today is where some see a problem, some will see a blessing. Don't feel away when people don't acknowledge you or see your talent and your efforts. They are not for you. Zane, so it go? You tell me. Big up yourself. Join the culture team and send us your testimony. We want to hear your story. Alright? Bless up.